Hey, welcome back to my shop, because that is my shop right there. That's gonna be my shop. So anyways, this is an update on my build. This is what's going on here. This is how we roll in Argentina. This is a chief of barbecue. And so this is gonna be, let's go a little wider here. This is where we're at. This is gonna be my shop. We're ready for the roof. Electrical has been done. The yellow one is gas. It's gonna be my washroom here, my private shutter for the shop. This goes into Kim's Despensa, and yeehaw! This is gonna be the kitchen. Living, dining, steps out to a gallery, they call it here, like a cover thing. And here is gonna be a parrilla to make barbecue. And this is where we are with the rest of it is washroom, bedrooms, another bedroom. They're the same. Well, that one is one brick longer for some reason, but that's it. And I think my neighbor over there gave me this nice wheel there we can do something with. I got lots of wood. This back area is gonna be Kim's huerta, which is gonna grow stuff. And we got a bunch of fruit trees here. Got a fig, plums, peaches. Over there she's got a clementine and an orange. Well, little one called Quinoto. And this is my trusty Toyota. And yeah, that's pretty much it for an update. We'll do another video when I get the roof on, I guess, and we'll take it from there. Anyways, thanks for hanging out and being patient while we go through this craziness of moving out of the country and all that stuff. And we'll catch up with you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.